Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by configuring controls so the right fire button is functional and predictable. Open Settings, go to Controls, then choose a layout that supports right fire. Once done, place the right fire touch zone where your thumb naturally rests and bind scope or primary weapon to that button. Make sure to reduce overlap with look controls and move the button slightly if it blocks view. Test the placement in training to confirm you can aim and shoot without lifting your thumb. Next, refine sensitivity to match the right fire behavior. Lower ADS sensitivity so your aim stays steady when tapping right fire to shoot. Meanwhile, keep free look higher for quick turns. For scopes, set scoped sensitivity around 0. 5 to 1. 5 times depending on scope magnification. This prevents overshoot when tapping to shoot. Once adjusted, practice recoil patterns while using right fire, short bursts for ARs, single taps for... Finally, apply the technique in real matches. Use short taps on right fire for controlled bursts and longer presses when you need sustained fire. After each burst, recenter your crosshair quickly to maintain accuracy. If the button misfires or feels unresponsive, make sure no UI element overlaps the zone. Move the button slightly, then retest in training. If problems persist, reset the control layout or clear the game cache and rebind the right fire button. This usually resolves touch mapping glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.